Well, it's been a great year. We've soared to new heights, seen stunning vistas from new and unique perspectives, pushed the envelope of emerging techniques and technology. Our focus has been on setting the benchmark in delivery of remarkable images, immersive media, and attention-grabbing marketing material for your enterprise. The coming year will bring new challenges, new markets, and new opportunities. We'll be there in the thick of things, delivering outstanding service, inspiring images, and a comprehensive response to your marketing needs. Come with us into the new year. Onwards